Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to get a new Bitcoin address on Coinbase. Open your Coinbase app and sign in now so you can follow along step by step. I will walk you through each screen, where to tap, and how to verify the address before sharing it. By the end, you will know how to generate, label, and copy a fresh BTC address with confidence. Enable two-factor authentication and confirm your phone and email are current to strengthen account security. When you generate a new address, always check the first and last characters and use QR scanning to avoid typing mistakes. Avoid sharing addresses on public Wi-Fi and store backups in a secure place. These habits reduce risk and keep your Bitcoin. Label each new address with a descriptive name so you can easily identify payments later, like savings or client A. Using separate addresses helps with bookkeeping and gives you better privacy when receiving funds. If you need enhanced privacy, rotate addresses periodically, but keep careful records to avoid confusion. I'll show how to add and edit labels in Coinbase and best practices for address management.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.